Introducing Pi Wallet. Hello to all of the pioneers out there, as well as the doubters who don't believe that Pi will take off. Only time will tell, as I always like to say, but the Pi Wallet is being launched, which means that it's getting closer and closer to mainnet, closer and closer to being worth more value, because it is worth something now, whether you believe it or not, due to the fact that we have a certain amount of pioneers, and it's us, the people, in anything and everything that gives anything and everything its value. But from a a dollar standpoint, then, it will have value once everything takes off. And by dollar, I mean currency, dollar bill, fiat currency, as you call it. Now, introducing Pi Wallet. Let's go over the details. The Pi Wallet, and before I go over the details, because I know many of you may be wondering, how you can get more Pi, mine more Pi. It'll be an available link below so you can start growing your Pi a lot faster and use a strategy that allowed me to grow my Pi 12 times faster over the past week. Now, I did get in early, so big portion of my account balance is due to me getting in early, truth be told. However, it's been mining at a faster rate over the past week due to some strategies that I've employed. And if you want to get access to it, then invest in yourself. And, you can learn how to start mining Pi, because who knows what the Pi may be worth. So you'll be investing in yourself now, but in the long run, it can make you a decent amount of money. Just say that Pi was worth $1, $2, $10, $100 down the line. The thing that I'll teach you can help you. But without further ado, let's go into the announcement. The Pi Wallet is currently available to all pioneers through the Pi Node desktop software. So currently it's only available for desktop. To create a Pi Wallet, anyone can download the Node desktop software from node.mindpi.com. Install the desktop software on your computer and access the wallet in its side menu. You do not have to run a blockchain node to use the Pi desktop interface that contains the wallet. The mobile version of the wallet will be inside a new mobile application that is currently under review by the iOS and the Android stores and will be available once the review finishes in a few days. If you prefer the mobile version, please wait a few days until we announce the new mobile app release on the Pi app home screen. Beware of fake apps claiming to be the Pi Wallet. To introduce the Pi Wallet, it's worth briefly going over what a crypto wallet is. A crypto wallet is essentially a pair of keys, a public address, and a secret passphrase or a secret key. While the wallet address must be shared with others to transact with you on the blockchain, the passphrase must be kept secret, as it is like a password to your bank account required to move any assets. Today, the launch of the Pi Wallet means that pioneers are invited to generate their wallet address and passphrase. The Pi Wallet can generate wallet address on multiple blockchains and hold different crypto assets on such blockchains using the same passphrase. But initially, we are focusing on Pi assets only. Currently, it is only connected to the Pi testnet blockchain. So what that means is basically it could be a wallet that's useful for other cryptos, but for starters, they're only going to focus on the home team, which is the pioneers and the Pi testnet blockchain. Hence, it only holds test Pi for testing purposes. When the mainnet launches in phase 3, the same Pi wallet can also connect with the Pi mainnet, thus holding the real Pi you will have mined at the time. As we're in the phase of testnet, the purpose is to make improvements on everything, including the wallet. Thus, it is a possibility that we may ask everyone to completely reset their wallets with test Pi before moving to mainnet. Pioneers will also have the choice to reset their wallet by choice before mainnet is live. In general, crypto wallets are categorized into custodial and non-custodial wallets, with the difference in whether there is someone else helping you manage your passphrase, secret key, or assets in the wallet. The Pi Wallet is a non-custodial wallet. Why? Because the Pi servers never have access to your secret key or passphrase. To be more user-friendly and based on feedback from early testing pioneers, the Pi Wallet secret key is represented by a list of more legible words called passphrases. Excuse me. The secret key can be dynamically derived from the passphrase, so people only need to store a passphrase without actually saving a secret key. Using passphrases instead of the derived secret key for safekeeping reduces the chance of human mistakes in recording, and at the same time achieves the same level of security as the secret key itself. and the mobile version of Pi Wallet to be released soon if your phone has biometric authentication, fingerprint, or face recognition. The passphrases are safely stored on your phone and can be retrieved through fingerprint or face ID. If not, or in desktop version of the wallet, you need to copy and save it somewhere else safe because no one else will ever have access to it. Excuse me. No one else will have access to save it for you. Although a non-custodial crypto wallet provides the self-sovereignty benefits for people, a difficult problem for any crypto asset holder is the case of losing their secret key or passphrases, the account recovery problem. The Pi Wallet is and will be a non-custodial wallet, and we aim to also innovate a mechanism to solve the difficult account recovery problem by utilizing part of your security circle while maintaining its non-custodial properties. This mechanism will be released at a later version of the wallet. After your Pi Wallet is created, the Pi testnet faucet will initiate it with 100 test Pi for you to test transactions with test Pi on the testnet just like you would on the mainnet after its launch in phase 3, the end of this year. We want to emphasize that test Pi or test Pi is not real Pi. This does not enable trading of real Pi. Test Pi is solely for the purpose of testing transactions on the Pi testnet and contains no value. The test Pi balance in the wallet may be reset because testnet will be periodically reset as part of the testing. Please remember that currently sales of Pi are unauthorized and violate the terms of service, which may result in the freezing of the account. So in other words, they're going to have their way similar to other platforms and wallets to make sure that your information is protected, and they have an extra thing coming down the pipeline that allows your system to be detected or protected using the security circle that you're building. So it's another benefit to building a security circle because it helps protect it and it validates what you probably had in your wallet. So it's a couple of ways to go about being protected that they're already considering, things that I'm considering as well, even by the recording of this video and showing, what I have going on in my wallet serves as a level of protection to a degree. That being said, hopefully you're mining on a continuous basis, non-stop. And like I stated, if you have not already, go ahead and grab you some free Pi down below so you can take advantage and start mining and growing it. And then once it does hit mainnet, you could be in the money. But if you do currently have Pi and you want to know how I was able to start mining 12 times faster over the past week, should be available link below so you can invest in yourself and take advantage of what I've done that you can do as well. That's all I got. See you on the next video. Signing out.